Okay, so I'm going to make a very simple, delicious banana smoothie. I found this online. Oh yeah. Okay. See, what you need is 1 banana. You need 4 ounces of milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And what else do you need? 4 ice cubes. I did 4 last time. I'm gonna do 3 this time because it needs more flavor. So good. So this is the order. You do banana, vanilla, milk, ice cubes. So you slice the banana into the blender. Like so. Oh, that was not the blender, that was my face. This is a plastic knife. Okay. Then you do the vanilla. So here's the vanilla I'm using. That's not in the recipe. I have a half teaspoon here and I'm doing 1 teaspoon. So there's half. Not half. Then the milk, 4 ounces. And 3 ice cubes. And blend for 45 seconds. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to try it now. This is the Ninja. Tastes a lot better than the last one. Okay, well, that was my video.
Delicioso.